Hello you guys, what is up? It's me, Sarah Marie, and welcome back to my channel. If you can't see my shirt, it's here, don't worry. She's not naked. How you doing? Sorry the lighting is so weird, I'm filming at a weird time. But I just felt like filming, so gotta take advantage of that when that happens. But you know, we got some golden hour lighting here, beach. Today, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my experience with Princess Polly. It's a brand that I feel like is getting a lot more popular, and so I wanted to do like a little review, a little try on haul. Do people still make hauls on YouTube? I don't think so, but hi, I am. Also, I see you over the 50% of viewers that I have that are non-subscribers. Not sure what you're doing there, but it's just a little button. I feel like this brand has gotten so much more popular in like the past year. You know, when I first ordered from it, I ordered like all the wrong sizes. I didn't even know if it was legit because it's sort of a newer brand and it's Australian. So I thought I would just do a whole video on Princess Polly. By the way, this is not sponsored. I actually asked them to sponsor me like a little while ago and they said no. Yeah, this is very unsponsored. I look rough. I've had a long day. I don't care. I'm just trying to show you some freaking clothes, okay? It literally got here in 2 days. Well, 2 business days. I ordered this on Friday, like Friday night when I was like falling asleep. And it got here today, which is Wednesday. Sizes are a little weird because Australian to US to UK sizing situation. For everything here, I bought one size up, except for one dress. I bought 2 sizes up because the review said it was like hella short and I didn't want, you know, my chimichangas falling out. For reference, I am typically a pretty true size 6. I can sometimes squeeze myself into a size 4, and sometimes if I had some burritos that week, I'll need a size 8. Got a size US 8 in all of these, which is a size UK 12. My true size is a size US 6, UK 10. So I would say size 1 to 2 sizes up.
So I want to make sure that I mention to never pay full price for all of this stuff. There's always coupon codes. No, I don't have one. I'm not that cool yet. But literally just Google Princess Polly coupon codes because you can always get 20% off. Please never pay full price. I don't think everything's necessarily worth full price. But with a coupon code, girl, guess you it. It's worth it then.
Let's just freaking get into it. Let's go over the stuffs. So I'll start with this. This is a shirt. Now this shirt is so cute. It's just like a little white v-neck. And this is the Waverly crop top. It's really cute. I love the material. It's got like this little ribbed pattern on it, which is like just super, I don't know, cute. Should I say cute again? I feel like I could wear this with anything. It's tight. It's like, it's stretchy, but it's pretty form-fitting. Super crisp white top. I feel like I could wear this with literally everything. It is a little bit on the sheer side, but I'd probably wear it with a bralette or like a nude bra anyways, so I don't really care. Next top that I got is also so cute. It's just this this little butterfly crop top. I love butterflies. I don't know if you guys know that about me, but I'm a big butterfly girl. I've seen a butterfly like every day for the past few months. It's been like my little thing. So when I saw this shirt, I like needed it. It's so cute. I love the fit of it. It kind of makes me feel like a child, but in like the best way possible. The sun is going down rapidly, so we're gonna speed this up, baby. I think that's all the shirts I got. I did get this skirt, which is super random of me. I'm not like a big skirt person, but I love this. This is like a wrap skirt. This is the Hazy Floral Wrap Skirt, and it's like so complicated. I don't understand it. Also, I don't really like green, and I don't really like patterns, so I don't know why I bought this. But I think it's so cute, especially with like a little white shirt like the one I'm wearing now, or even like this one. I just think it's adorable, and it's very flattering. It would be good to wear to the beach, even though it's fall. This would also be so cute with like little white socks and some ducks. Hey, that rhymes. But no, that would be really cute. The next dress I got is another good transition into fall piece. This is just like a see-through, like, can you see me? Can you see me? This is just like a little see-through dress. This was on sale, and when I bought it, it wasn't. So to everyone who gets it on sale, I'm just kidding. I'm proud of you. I would say go 2 sizes up in this from your typical size.
Also, I just want to point out that this dress is very short. I'm 5'3", so I'm a short human, and it's short on me. So if you're above 5'5", I don't know if I'd recommend, because I feel like all of your goodies are going to pop out of the bottom. Just FYI.
The next dress I got is so summery, but I had to have it because I just thought it was so cute. It's like this little banana. This isn't even banana. This is like lemon yellow. And this is like that like crinkly material, you know, that like tube tops are made of. And then it's got like this like very sheer little boob situation. I will say this is like see-through. So you're going to need you some nude underwear, or you could even wear this as like a swimsuit cover up, but that's one fancy ass swimsuit cover up. I can see myself wearing this with like a little white t-shirt underneath. That would be really cute, like those little short sleeve t-shirts, or I guess just with like nude underwear galore. I do feel like a nice 5 months pregnant in this one, but I think it's because I ate a whole lot today. So this might be one of those dresses that you can only wear in the morning. You know what I mean? This is the Karina mini dress, by the way. The next dress I got is, I'm obsessed with this color. I'm obsessed with this pattern. This is like everything for me right now. This, I love it so much. It's so freaking cute. This dress is called the Just a Lover mini dress in yellow. I think they have it in green too, but oh my god, I'm so obsessed with the pattern and the color. I'm just really into like 60s and 70s style right now, and this reminds me of that so much. It's got like these little floofy pretend sleeves, which honestly aren't that flattering on my like chubby little arms, but it's cute. It's also got these weird little like boob tassels, which I think you're supposed to tie, but I'm not positive on that. I just realized you could also totally wear this off the shoulder, and it's just as cute. Don't look at the mess on the floor behind me. Ignore light. You're just powering through. I did get some jean shorts. These are too big on me. Like, they're verging on like too big, but I still think they're cute. I'm just like, ugh, I wish I got them in a size smaller. But these are the paper bag shorts. They've got like the elastic band, which makes them hella comfy. You can eat so much cake in these and nobody will know. And then it's got like the little frilly waist, which is super flattering. They're just like very chill denim shorts. These aren't like your I want to go impress a boy shorts. These are like I'm hanging out, I don't really care what I look like kind of denim shorts, at least on me. But I still think they're so cute and like really good for like a casual day. That's all the clothing items I got. Well, I don't know. I did get 2 swimsuits. Do you consider that clothing, or do you consider that accessories? The first one that I got is this little 2-piece set, which is neon pink beach. And honestly, like, I'm not obsessed with the color, but I am obsessed with this swimsuit. It fits like a glove. It fits so good. It's like so cute. It doesn't like pinch me or like push anything out in weird ways. This is the Chapman bikini set. They have it in this pink color, and then they also have it in like a neon green, which is so freaking cute. But it's just like this little bandeau top, and then the high-waisted bottoms, and it's a little bit cheeky, which nobody hates the cheeky. This is from Princess Polly, but it's a different brand. This is the Some Days Lovin' brand, which I've never heard of, and this I got in a size medium. So this is their Saffron Skies bikini bottoms. It's just like these, like, you know, V cheeky situations. Kind of reminds me of the 80s, but V flattering, V cute. This from ASOS a while back, and I've been looking for like the perfect bottoms to wear it with, but I think these are gonna be it, because don't you think that'd just be like a cute little retro moment? That's how I'm feeling. So that is these. And then last but not least, the very last thing I got are some shoes. These are rock boots. If you don't know what rock boots are, it's like an Australian brand, kind of similar to Doc Marten, but oh my god, aren't these so cute? I want like all of these. They have these in like a wooden and white pair. Oh, I want them so bad. But these just give me like Lizzie McGuire vibes, you know? Okay, showing your feet on YouTube is like so weird, but I'm doing it out of love. So these are the shoes. I know it looks like my foot is falling out, but I promise when I walk, I'm not. But they're just like the Lizzie McGuire moment, you know? Like, oh, look, my hair is in the camera. Yeah, just like full full send Lizzie McGuire 2012. Also, if you fall like this, your ankle's been rolled. You're welcome. These in a size 39. So comfy. Like, I could literally run in these.
And he be lining down the block just to watch what I got. So delicious.
And these are some high little heels, okay? But like, I could run. These are perfect for a night out because they're cute and they make a statement, but they're so comfy that you're not gonna be like falling over and your friends having to carry you home. So, big fan of the rock boots. These were the most expensive thing I got by like a lot, but I'm like very pumped that I got them and I want more because they're so freaking cute. Hello, yes, you're very cute. That is everything that I got from Princess Polly. Comment down below what your favorite thing is, or if you hated it all, that's fine. You can comment that. You can comment that down below as well. By the way, if you don't see reviews on the US website, there are reviews on the Australian website. So if you really like a dress but you want to see reviews, just like type in the name of the dress on Google and go to their Australian website instead of their US website and you can look at the reviews. Just a little hack. This is good quality. Like, this is, I would compare this quality to ASOS. I think it's pretty good quality, much better than Nasty Gal, much better than Boohoo, Fashion Nova. All of those brands, I like don't even shop there anymore because the quality is just like sucks. Like, this compared to like Nasty Gal, this blows Nasty Gal out of the water. That's everything, you guys. If you have any questions about like Princess Polly or my order or anything that I got, just comment down below. I reply to all my comments and I'll get back to you very soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. I hope it brought you back to 2004 YouTube when everything was good, beautiful, and dandy. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. I make new videos every week. I guess that's all I have for you. Okay, bye guys.
You can find